Here's a bombshell. Solid colognes are better than liquid ones. Hey Fragrance family, Dave here with Fragrance Bros, your best source for everything fragrance related. Today we want to do a video on maybe a controversial topic, but it is solid colognes versus liquid colognes and what I think about either of them. Of course, I have a large variety of liquid colognes in my collection and I'll never get rid of those, but today I want to talk about solid colognes and how awesome they are and how many advantages they have over traditional liquid ones. Now before we get started, I'd like to thank my sponsor, Fulton and Roarke. Now I've done a video about Fulton and Roarke before. Go here and check it out, it's really good. It's one of my favorite videos I've ever made. Had a montage where I just beat the crap out of one of their solid colognes. Here's an example of it right here. But Fulton and Roarke is arguably the most well-known solid cologne manufacturer, as well as they have just some of the best ones on the market. They reached out to me again to see if I'd like to do a sponsored video, and I was all for it. I love their line, really like their stuff. They have a new fragrance called Sterling, which we'll talk about in just a little bit here, and it's amazing. And of course, you know, I'll keep everything 100%. All right, so what is a solid cologne? Maybe you don't even know what that is. You're probably familiar with more of the liquid ones. Here's an example of one that you've seen a million times. This is Sauvage by Dior, a fragrance I really like. Liquid, glass housing, you know, you spray it on your body, you know how it is. A liquid cologne or perfume or fragrance is oil, essential oils that are mixed together to actually make the actual fragrance, diluted in alcohol and water. Solid colognes, of course, are the exact opposite. They are the essential oils and they're housed in wax, a solid compound. Here is my example here. You just take this on and you just put it wherever you want to put it and you smell great. Many people might not know this, but the origin of your favorite fragrance is actually a solid cologne. The Egyptians were the first ones to actually intentionally make a fragrance that you would wear, and they did that exactly like the process for solid colognes. They put it in wax. So the progenitor of all the fragrances that you like today is actually a solid cologne. Solid colognes are one of my favorite formats for fragrance because of the many benefits that they have, and I wish that more companies would actually make solid colognes because of these distinct benefits. All right, so let's go over some of those benefits real quick. Now, the first most obvious benefit is that these are not in glass bottles. This is in an aluminum housing here. I believe it's aluminum. And of course, here's one, it's in glass. I'm hitting it very gingerly there. So definitely go watch my video where I just try to destroy the other Fulton and Roarke one. But I mean, you would never do this to your fragrance. These are unbreakable, which means that if you drop them, if something happens to them, if you have kids like I do, I've seen pictures that were horror stories where people dropped an expensive bottle of their favorite fragrance. With this, if you drop it, you just pick it up. All right, the next great benefit that solid colognes have, an advantage that they have over liquid ones, is they're not susceptible to the perfume killers of light, heat, and oxygen. Because it's solid, you don't have to worry about the light hitting it. You don't have to worry about oxygen hitting it. It's not gonna evaporate. It's not gonna ruin any of the notes inside this because it's housed in wax. Next, they're highly portable. You put this in your pocket, you can put it in your gym bag, you can store it in your desk at work, put this in your DOP kit. You can take this anywhere you want to go. They're also really easy to store. Now these are small to begin with, so they're really easy to put in almost any place. But if you have a number of these solid ones, you can just stack them on each other, and that saves even more space. I can't say that about my liquid perfumes in glass, which take up a lot of space and you can't stack them upon each other. And especially if you don't have a lot of space to store things where you live, solid colognes are great, easy to store. Another great benefit that goes along with the portability, you can take these on a plane. With TSA restrictions, you can't take a lot of liquids on a plane, so you definitely can't take a full bottle of cologne, but you can take this. As far as I know, as of this recording date, there are no restrictions on solid colognes, which is great because if you're traveling on an airplane and you want to smell good, this may be the only option you have. Here's another great benefit. It has great longevity, even on dry skin. Now, the problem with an alcohol-based fragrance is that if you have dry skin, that's gonna dry your skin out even more, and then you're not gonna have the longevity that you will for people who have less dry skin. If you use soaps that really dry out your skin, you're gonna have a problem with longevity. But not so with solid colognes. Because they're in wax, they're gonna stay on your skin for a lot longer, and they're not gonna evaporate the same way that a water and alcohol-based fragrance will. So if you have really dry skin, this may be a great option for you. Next, you'll never be the cologne guy. There are many people out there who don't like loud fragrances. These were designed to not be loud. So the projection that it has is not gonna be super, super loud, but it's gonna hang onto your skin for a long time, and it's just gonna be just that nice little comforting little bubble close to your skin. So if someone comes in that little bubble, they're gonna smell you and think that you smell nice, but you're not gonna stink up the room and be obnoxious. Next, you can apply these discreetly. So if you go somewhere and you have to freshen up, you can put this on and you don't look weird while doing it. Am I putting on cologne or am I scratching my neck? They'll never know. And my final point is that you do not have to sacrifice scent to use these. These come in a lot of great, fantastic scents. And because of the format, these allow you to use the same type of quality scents that you use in liquid perfumes, but just with added benefits. And speaking of great smelling solid colognes, of course, this one is Sterling by Fulton and Roarke. Fulton and Roarke, of course, they have a whole line of amazing fragrances in their solid cologne line. I went over more of those in my previous video, so definitely check that out. This one is their newest one, which is called Sterling. Now, this one used to be a limited reserve, which was a limited run, but they moved it into their permanent line because it smells amazing. This one has notes of tobacco, dark vanilla, and leather. And you might be thinking, does that smell like Tobacco Vanille by Tom Ford? And I will say not necessarily, but it does give me hints of that. Definitely tobacco, definitely vanilla, definitely leather. Very strong, prominent notes in all three of those. And I'm telling you guys, 100% honestly, this smells incredible. And I wholeheartedly recommend this to you guys. It's an incredible scent. If you like tobacco, vanilla, leather, any of those, all three of those, definitely go check it out. It's really great. Now, Fulton and Roarke also has other products that I think you should go check out as well. They have a huge bar of soap, which I love, and I use that up like a mofo whenever I had it. They also have a hair and body wash, which I have right here. It smells fantastic. They have a number of other products as well, so definitely go check them out. I'll have a link down below to their website, as well as a coupon code, Fragrance Bros, for 15% off, so definitely go check them out. So again, I'd like to thank Fulton and Roarke for sponsoring this video. Guys, definitely go check out Fulton and Roarke. Amazing company with amazing products, smell fantastic. Hopefully I'll do some more videos with them in the future, who knows? We'll see. In the meantime, definitely go check out their website and definitely like, comment, and subscribe on this video on your way out. I'll love you for it. What do you think of solid colognes? Let me know. Have you tried a solid cologne before? And if you haven't, you know where to go. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. I'm David with the Fragrance Bros. Bye. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my other channel, Beast Made Reviews, where me and a friend review high quality products for men. You might like it. Go check it out.